actually just woke up. It's like 9:50, something like that. 9:50. Yeah, and we usually wake up at like 8:30ish and do our stuff. And then for some reason we all overslept, but it's okay. The animals are okay. Hey, come on. So this is Goliath. He has his beeper on at night. Why? And we have to like put him on the leash during the day. So come on Goliath. This is Sam. Hi Sam. Are you guys ready to have your breakfast? Huh? Let's go. So I have to fill up 1 cup for each dog. And now we're gonna go to Goliath. He's all the way over there. So Mama lives in that area right there, and you guys don't even know what happened yesterday. She literally got out, escape. Oh, she's right there. She's right there. She's so cute. So they only have 1 pig. And yamas. Mama. And then we also have to check if there's eggs. If the chicken laid eggs here. Okay, hold on.
Is there any?
Nope, there's no eggs. Maybe on the other coop. Hi Sam, I'm in general. And then we have to leave this open in the morning until at night. But we're gonna do that on the other one.
Look at all the chickens. Look at all those chickens.
Look at all those chickens. They're ready to go out, so. They're so cute. And these are the little chickens that we only have to feed. We don't have to feed them, those big ones. We don't have to like really, you just have to like sprinkle the food on the ground and then fill up the water with that hose right there. Let's check if they have eggs. Did they give us any egg today? No, they didn't. So we're gonna show you guys how we feed the little ducks. So these ones, they're a little bit difficult because they try to escape every time we have to like open their door. But oh, did you fill up the water like for the dogs? They still have. Okay, they still have water.
Oh, and we also have a garden.
Oh, look at that, guys. That's so pretty. Do you guys hear them?
They're always hungry.
Yeah.
These are the
Babies.
babies.
You're so.
They're so like
Look at that. Oh no, I will move.
ducks.
Okay. Here, while you do that, she's gonna get the food.
So this is their food. We only have to like fill it up halfway.
Yes. Oops. I kinda did. Okay.
Oh, here, what you should do.
Oh yeah.
You sprinkle a little bit while I get that little thing.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Like to like kind of distract them.
Hold on, not yet. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna try. Duckies!
Wait for all of them to go there.
They're so funny. Look at all them gathered there. Yeah. I put. I feel bad. I kind of use a lot, so let me fill it.
Here, I'm.
7 in the morning.
Successful.
Right? That's, oh, sorry.
Oh, look at the sky. It's so nice.
Yeah.
So pretty.
Alright. I think. Oh,
Hi.
It's dead. It's dead. It's definitely dead. I wonder
What the?
No, Alex, why did you do it? Why did you do it? Give me the shovel. Give me the shovel. The mango in his poor body. Oh my gosh, his head is so hard.
Okay, now it's going to do it.
Georgia, can you push him? Oh, damn, shorty.
I told you that was a bad idea. You guys should have gotten a bigger one.
Okay, I have a good idea. Put the bag over it. Another bag.
Guys, so tonight is our last night at this house.
Sorry, I just threw up my middle finger.
Oh my god.
We're eating our late dinner, leftover.
If you guys ever go to Disney Springs, check out the Italian.
Or the Hawaiian bread. What did you get?
No, Hawaiian bread.
Did I say Hawaiian?
Hawaiian bread.
Hawaiian. That's what it's called, Hawaiian.
Is that Thunder? Oh, yeah.
What's that?
That's his new song.
Oh.
But yeah, I recommend you guys to get these chips.
Mm.
No, actually, I don't recommend it because then it's gonna be sold out.
The popcorners.
Yeah.
I saw that you guys have like
Oh,
a
I would
stock
love-
of it.
yeah.
Hey guys, so I probably won't be able to vlog tomorrow since tomorrow's our last day here at the farmhouse. But yeah, we had fun. We had fun feeding the animals and finding a dead raccoon. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye. You guys want to say bye to my vlog?
Bye.
Bye.
By the way, I grabbed a raccoon with this sweater. I don't have another sweater, so
Yeah.
I can't.
Okay, bye guys.
Guys, if she tomorrow is sick,
If I ever come near you,
that's why.
watch out.
I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you come.